Take a ride in the 2016 Jeep Renegade. The Jeep Renegade offers full-size capability built in a smaller SUV. The Jeep Renegade is an incredible combo of smart technology, cool colors, and innovative materials. It has a capable command center with the tools you need for discovering everything that's out there and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, front-wheel drive, compass, trip computer, fog lights, outside temperature gauge, tinted glass, body color door handles, front license plate bracket, leather shift knob. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.